dreams made them wrong. I wonder, dreamer, always alone, lost in a part of myself, can't find anymore. I wonder.